Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making garlic parmesan zucchini. This is a great way to use fresh zucchini from the garden or that you get at the grocery store. We have a few ingredients, it's really going to make this zucchini shine. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic minced, 2 zucchinis, they're sliced about 1/4 of an inch thick, 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and some shredded Parmesan cheese. Now let's head over to the stove. We're going to start by heating up our olive oil over a medium heat. Now we're going to go in with our garlic and we're going to saute this up for about a minute. Now we're going to go in with our zucchini and our oregano, and we're going to cook this for about 7 to 10 minutes till it gets nice and golden brown. Now you're going to want to stir this occasionally. We're getting some beautiful color on this. We're going to give this a few cracks of fresh salt and pepper. We're going to give it just a few more minutes. That was almost a dinner bell. Our zucchini looks perfect. Now we're just going to top this with our shaved Parmesan cheese and we're done. Let's head back to the cutting board and get a taste. All right, let's get a bite. We got perfect caramelization on them. The cheese, these are hot. Woo. These are good. They're hot. You get the wonderful zucchini taste. The oregano comes through. It complements the zucchini. You get a little bit of the Parmesan cheese taste. It's a little sharp. Goes very well. If you like this recipe, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. You can also check us out on Facebook at HomeHeadChef. Don't forget to check out my other hunting and fishing channel. I'll drop a link in the description. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.